Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to save an image right from Figma. Whether you're working on a design project, sharing assets with your team, or simply want to pull an image out of your file for another purpose, I'll show you just how easy it is. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export images from Figma in just a few clicks, no experience needed. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into Figma and have your design file open. Today, I've got a sample image ready inside my project. Now, whether your image is something you created, imported, or maybe a client sent you, the process stays the same. It's helpful to take a second here and be sure you have the right image selected in your Layers panel. Sometimes in larger projects, there can be a lot going on, so stay organized. Alright, with the image selected, let's move down to the bottom right corner of the Figma interface. You'll spot a button there labeled Export. Don't worry if you haven't noticed it before, Figma tucks this feature down there to keep your workspace clean, but it's always ready to use. Go ahead and click on Export. Now you'll see a few different export options pop up. For this tutorial, let's say you want to save your image as a JPG file, which is a very common format for web and sharing. Just look for the drop-down menu and select JPG. If you need a different file type like PNG or even SVG, Figma gives you those choices too. For now, stick with JPG for a nice, widely compatible format. Next, with JPG selected, click the blue Export button. Figma will prompt you to choose where to save your image on your computer. I recommend creating a specific folder for your exported assets. It helps with staying organized, especially if you're saving lots of images from a design project. If you're moving a bit fast and forget where you saved, don't stress. Just check your Downloads folder or desktop. Your image should be waiting right there. Once you've saved it, take a moment to open the image and make sure everything looks good. You can also double-check the file size and quality at this stage, which can be important if you're sending images off to a colleague, uploading them to a website, or just want to make sure your design comes through clearly. And honestly, that's really all it takes. Saving images from Figma is quick, intuitive, and super handy, especially once you get the hang of it. Don't worry if it takes you a couple of tries to find the export button or if you forget which format to use at first. Every designer has been there, and Figma's interface gets easier the more you use it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions about saving images, or maybe suggestions for future Figma tutorials, go ahead and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more simple, practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.